Welcome back. After downloading and installing Nvivo, this is Nvivo 12. So this is the interface. On the left, there are recent projects that I have done. They all are listed in this section. If you have other projects, you can open them here. There's help and there are tutorials here. There's also the blank project, sample project, automated insights of a sample project. Then there are other features of Nvivo that you have to connect to the internet. For example, get your research ready for Nvivo quick steps tutorial, courses and resources, depending on your understanding on online learning and workshops on how to use Nvivo, getting your transcriptions and requesting for any other qualitative data and votes for Nvivo features. So this is how it looks like. Now, as a data analyst, I'm going to open a blank project. So let's click this and let's name the title give the title satire used in China. Then you may describe this is a qualitative this is a qualitative analysis on the restriction of the use of satire in China and its implications on freedom of expression in media. And I click OK. This is a typical homepage of Nvivo. You may watch this video on how to conduct qualitative analysis. It will give you a step-by-step guide and a welcoming tour. So you may start the tutorial. That is on the right side. Now, on the left side, there is the quick access. There are files, memos, nodes, data, the files, file classification, externals, the codes, the sentiments, relationships, relationship types, the cases, the nodes, anything we wish to search, the maps, the output. Now, the tab also has file, home, import, create, explore, share. All these you may try to experiment to learn what each of these gives. For example, import gives you what you have to import in Nvivo. You may import an end capture, you may import files, you may import Excel, you may import a text document, you may import data from SurveyMonkey, Qualtrics, SPSS, classification sheets, EndNotes, Mendeley, RefWorks, Zotero. All these you may import into Nvivo. Then creating implies that now you're going to analyze your data in Nvivo. You may create relationships, you may create nodes, you may create frameworks and memos, you may create documents, make external proxies, and all this that you wish to do in Nvivo. Exploring. Now this is now after analyzing your data or after coding your data, you may explore the trends that you wish to understand in the data. So you may check advanced find, query, text search, word frequency coding. You may use charts and hierarchies, mind maps, or all these maps, cluster analysis, and all that. Then if you wish to share, you may share through exporting the project or copying the project. So this is a summary of what happens in Nvivo. Then this section file, you may click it if you want to open a file, copy projects, close, or start a new file. So I'll go back to the interface. So since I want to import my own data in Nvivo, I'll click import. And to import a Word document in Nvivo, I'll click files, then go to where the file is. So if it is on the desktop, I'll click desktop and I'll pick it. So this is what I want to analyze: Nvivo qualitative analysis, China, satire. So that is how I've named my document. So I'll click open and create a case search for each imported file. So you may click this or you may not, but I'll just click import. then do the preliminaries and click OK. So once imported, the file will appear here. So if you have other files that you wish to import, you may click this and import them. For example, if I have any other file in the download section, I may click this and click import and click OK. It will appear here. If I have any other files, I'll click, and you may import as many files as you wish. So make sure that you have all the files that you want to analyze in this section. For example, I may click OK, then import all these files. Once you have the files, now you begin your data analysis. In data analysis, first you have to create codes. After creating the codes, now you'll classify them into themes and sub-themes. And all these now will be I'll show you in the next video how to conduct the analysis of the files that you have imported into Nvivo. Thank you and welcome in the next video.